In this video, let's talk about how to add the GroovePages DNS record into Cloudflare. In order for your domain name with the Cloudflare name servers to work with GroovePages, we will need to set up a new DNS record within Cloudflare. From your overview page, find the features menu at the top of the page. Find and click on the menu button that says DNS. You will then be taken to the DNS management page, where you will be able to set up a new DNS record by clicking right here on Add Record. The DNS record management menu will now open, where you can now enter in the specific details of what you would like to create. Click on the drop-down menu labeled Type and select CNAME. For name, assuming that you want your GroovePages website to display on the home page of your domain, otherwise known as the root page, enter in the @ symbol. Where it says target, enter in host10.groovepages.com. Finally, confirm that your security is enabled for this website by ensuring that TTL is active and that the CNAME record does have its traffic proxied through Cloudflare. When complete, your DNS management setup should look like this. And when you're done, you can now save your new DNS record.